used to be the most economical way to form concrete was using wood, nailing, toe nailing, and unnailing and cleaning. It worked okay, but pretty soon your wood was too twisted or beat up to use. As you will see, there is a better way. Today I'd like to show you a concrete forming system called Plastiform that is used daily by hundreds of contractors and government crews throughout the world. Plastiform uses stakes just like wood. The thing that is different is how you attach it to the stake and to each other. Plastiform boards are high-density polyethylene extrusions that make our 2x4s and 2x6s light, flexible, and tough. To make the system completely nailless and to eliminate toe nailing, our 2x4 end connectors are stapled into the end of each board. The boards can then be connected with just a snap to form a smooth seam. And they are pulled apart just as easy. The end connectors can be removed with just a screwdriver to make short pieces and add inserts. Our 2x6 boards also have end connectors, but to help keep them secure, 2 staples are put in each end. Our 2x6 boards are also a full 6 inches wide to give you that added height when you need it. We also have 2x4 and 2x6 end connectors for wood that can be screwed or nailed into short wood pieces. This allows you to use wood to complete your form runs without cutting your Plastiform boards. Cam lock clamps are equally tough nylon fiberglass with one rounded corner at the base. This allows the clamp to be twisted in and out anywhere along the boards. As the name implies, cam lock clamps are cam-shaped, so they can accommodate a wide range of stakes. Our large cam locks are used for round stakes, which is what we recommend. They can also be used with 3/4 inch rebar. Wood up to 3/4 inch thick may be used. Small cam locks are used for flat iron stakes. Plastiform has been around for a while. In fact, it was developed in 1984 by Pat Policki, who holds the patent on the system. Pat is a plastics expert, not a concrete man, but when some workers were pouring his driveway, he was listening to their story. Their story then is the same as we hear today from most of our customers.
So when you were using wood before, how many times you get, how many uses you get out of a piece of wood?
I'll tell you what, for a while, there's probably 2 times all we got, because we bought this so many times. You turn around and all the little pieces laying on in the corner back there.
They just twist on you and everything.
Twist it or they cut
Well, it's not that. They cut them up. They cut them. If they want a 6 foot, they cut a 60 foot on a 6 foot.
And then it's wasted.
Yeah.
Price of lumber, Plastiform makes more sense each time you form. Lumber can only be used a few times before replacement, whereas the high-density, durable Plastiform components will last for years. Your investment in Plastiform pays for itself many times over.
An unplanned benefit of the forms was quickly realized by any contractor who had done radius work. These boards had some flexibility. No more bender boards. Whether you're pouring concrete one house at a time or one track of houses at a time, radius work often is necessary and usually more interesting. Add some pizzazz to your bids and put in some curves.
To form this radius curb using conventional plywood or masonite methods would require 2 men working 1 hour. With Plastiform, the job was completed by 1 man in half an hour. The labor savings are dramatic.
Of course, not everyone wants to do radius work, so to help keep runs straight in hot areas, we have a couple of solutions.
We can deliver the boards with up to 3 aluminum I-beams installed, though we usually only recommend 1. Or many of our customers use PVC pipe to stiffen the boards when the temperature is hot. Stacking Plastiform is a basic no-brainer, the same thing a lot of guys do with wood when they need to. Stack them as high as you need or as high as your stakes. And we saw earlier how they can be stacked for radiuses. We did not figure out how to make step forms. One of our customers did and sent us a video along with some pictures of one of their jobs. They swear it just took an hour to set up, and at the end of the day, they had a nice set of stairs. They also showed how they reused their boards for straight work, so there was no waste.
I think construction workers are the world's best improvisers. This is an example of how one of our customers resolved their problems with unsmooth corners. Corner pieces are made with 2 45-degree cuts and used for a variety of corners. Buy ours or cut your own. The most innovative use of Plastiform is by Steiner Ramirez, A1 Concrete in Merced, California, who sent us this footage.
Although there are machines specific to the curb and gutter industry, many times the terrain or existing obstacles prevent their use. Plastiform is an efficient alternative. Here, one contractor has fabricated handy brackets to create an accurate and consistent angle. Always clear sufficient area behind the form to allow free movement of the cam locks. Make grade changes easily with Plastiform cam locks.
Plastiform can save you money in just a few months in material costs alone, but most of our users also see labor savings.
Plastiform users agree. Forming is easier, faster, and less labor intensive. Forms are straighter and strip more easily than wood. Another great benefit is the light weight of the lengths. One worker or one truck can easily carry many more form feet than with wood or steel forms.
It doesn't matter what kind of flat work forming you do, straight runs or radius work, the Plastiform system can help you set up and take down faster and easier with better results than you can achieve with wood. And remember, Plastiform lasts.